Good morning, everyone. My name is Kim Butawan. Let's talk about cybersecurity and data privacy. We live in a world where one simple click can connect us to millions. The internet has become our space for learning, communication, and expression. But behind every post, message, and photo lies hidden rates that many overlooks. Cybersecurity and data privacy protects cybersecurity and data privacy serve as our armor in this digital battlefield. Cybersecurity protects our device and information from hacker, while data while data while data privacy guards our right to keep personal details safe in the Philippines. Digital independence is growing faster than our awareness of its danger. Many people share personal information online without realizing how variable it is. A single password or photo can reveal more than we instead. This is why knowing how to protect ourselves online is no longer optional. It's essential. In this modern world, security and privacy are signs of self-respect and responsibility. Thank you.